Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to connect ManyChat to Facebook ads. So let's just begin. First of all, we are going to be heading over to our automation section, or you can see we have settings as well, and here make sure that your Facebook account is connected. uh, so to connect your Facebook account, you can see we have Messenger over here, and this is we can connect our Facebook profile. You can see our page is currently connected. We can go back and you can see we have our Instagram as well. So once you do connect these, you will get a lot of options. Like for example, in general we have multiple different options. We have templates and stuff. So you can use APIs to integrate your ads as well. Or yeah, once you do get connected with API with your ads, you can head over to automations and start working with your automations related to your ads. So this is the workaround to get your ManyChat connected to Facebook ads, and this is going to be helping you to grow. So if you want to get 1 month completely for free of pro plan on ManyChat, you can head over to the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.